we are going to try Gordon Ramsay's Yorkshire pudding in a blender, which is what drew me to it, and I wanted to do the recipe. So in the blender I have 4 large eggs. To that, 1.5 cups of milk. Now I'm using 1%, so I will be adding butter to this. Use whole milk if you can. All in. Melted butter, about 30 grams. In. 1.25 cups of flour. And then put the lid on, make sure it's on tight. Now, once it's done, let it sit for about a half hour or even into the fridge until you're ready to cook it. Okay, so to continue on with the Yorkshire pudding, here I have a muffin tin and I have bacon fat in each one. Now this is going to go into 425 degree oven until it starts smoking, basically. You want to get this as hot as possible. So, into the oven and let it go. Alright, so I upped the temperature to 475. And now I'm getting ready to pour in the batter. So take your blender, open up, prepare for some smoke. Start pouring away. 3/4 of the way up. Okay. Slide it back in. Don't open the door for 25 minutes. Keep that 575 for 5 minutes. And 20 minutes at 425. Time to take out the Yorkshire puddings. Oh, look at that. Now that's what you want.